Hello students, hope so you will be fine and safe. Today our topic is chapter straight line and topic is perpendicular distance of a point. Point is your x1 y1 from a line whose general equation is available to us, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then distance will be, put point in equation, that is x1 y1, it becomes a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon under root coefficient with x, that is a square, plus coefficient with y, that is b square. Let us start with some questions. In exercise 10.3, fourth question is there. Point is available to us -1, 1 and line is available to us. Question is asking about find the distance of the point from the line. First of all, line should be in proper form. We have already point. Point is -1, 1. Line, make it proper, open the brackets, that is 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10. It becomes proper form is 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equal to 0. Proper general equation of a line. Now get distance by given formula, modulus, put point in equation of line upon under root coefficient with x square coefficient with y is equal to -17 plus 82 upon under root 169. It is modulus 65 by 13 and our required answer is D is equal to 5 units. Simply, we have fifth question now. Line is there, x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 and distance is given to us. Question is asking about point on x-axis. As you know, point on x-axis represent as x comma 0 because on x-axis value of y will be 0. Now, D is available to us. First of all, convert into proper equation, general equation of a line by taking LCM. And D is available to us. Implement the formula that D is equal to put point in equation of line upon under root coefficient with x plus coefficient with y. As you know, when modulus break results be in sign plus minus. So modulus break plus minus, that is root 25, that becomes 5 into 4 cross multiplied 20 is equal to 4x minus 12. Use plus 20 as well use minus 20. That is 32 is equal to 4x and x equal to 8. Then point become 8 comma 0. When you use minus 20, it is minus 8 is equal to 4x, x equal to minus 2, then point become minus 2 comma 0. Here question number 18 is there. P is the length of perpendicular from the origin. That means D is given to you, that is P, point from the origin 0 comma 0 and the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B. We have available point, that is 0 comma 0, equation of line whose intercepts are available to us. That means question is asking about intercept form of a line. As we know, it is x by x intercept plus y by y intercept is equal to 1. Now apply the formula, that is D is equal to, as D is available to you, that is P is equal to put point in equation of line upon under root coefficient with x coefficient with y, its square whole under root. Now we got P is equal to modulus, negative becomes a positive, that is property of modulus. But according to our requirement, we need 1 by P. So but we need square, so squaring both sides. That's our requirement. These are the some question based on last concept of straight line, that is perpendicular distance of a point from a line. Thank you.